How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. And this is the finale, so I'm very happy to bring you guys the finale. And in the last episode, we took on the Elite Four once and for all. And yeah, and we're gonna enter Mount Silver. But before that, I'm gonna do a team recap. So yeah. Okay, move Pokemon. Okay, this is our main team. We have Scout at level 6. Our Scout, the Furret. We have our pre-post game team member Darkla, our Crobat, our Gyro, our Steelix, our Nadar, the Modest Nature Pidgeotto, and Mr. Sai, the Abra. I thought of using them, but I didn't use. So, yeah, and our main team consists of Light the Ampharos at level 82 with Quickla, Discharge Signal Beam, Focus Splash, Power Gem, Azula the Ho-Oh with Miracle Seed, Sacred Firefly, Rouge, Giga Drain, Charms, the Feraligatr with Never Melt Ice, Waterfall, Ice Fang Crunch, Rock Climb, Saya with Expert Belt, our Espion with Psychic, Morning Sun, Shadow Ball, still doesn't have four moves. Frieza with Leftovers, with Ice Beam, Focus Blast, Charge Beam, Psychic, and last but not at least, we have Sokard, our Heracross with Amulet Coin, with Close Combat, Earthquake, Mega and Rock Slide. And let's teach the final move for our Pokemon. Can it learn Water Pulse? Let's see. No. Can it learn Shockwave though? No. What can you learn? I can teach it. Okay. I cannot find any nice items, guys. So, nice TMs. So, I'll teach it. Okay, skill swap. Just a full moveset and give opponents. And let's quickly use a Max Repel. Max Repel, guys. And yeah, this is the finale. I'm so happy to bring you guys the finale of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Okay, we got TM76 Stealth Rocks. Okay, we got it now. So that's good. What is this item? We got a full restore. That is not useful because I will not allow items in here. Okay. Repelling's effect were off. Let's use another Max Repel. Oh man, we are at finale now. Okay, if I remember it correct, shit. Okay, let's use another Max Repel. Sorry for not commentating for long time. Long time. No, I think you do not need Rock Smash. So, Lin Beifong. Okay, seems like we are in the correct way, guys. Okay, let's. Okay, I think we wanna enter this room. I think we are at the correct way, my dudes. Let's use Rock Climb. Okay, let's go. Can't figure this out. Okay. Is this the way? some of you may in the comments is pandering. No, this is not the right way. This is my first time at Mount Silver. This is not my first time at Mount Silver, but I think we are going the correct way. I hope we are going in the correct way. Okay guys, this is it. Once and for all. I'm gonna see you guys when I heal up and save the game. Okay guys, I put Heracross at front and I'm not gonna comment it in this red battle. I said I'm not gonna commentate in this battle, but I'm gonna commentate it because this battle is so nerve-wracking that I wanna commentate. I just wanna hear the starting battle. I just wanna hear the music on the start of the battle. So yeah, please do not KO me, hell. Good. And we have leftovers. Charge beam, do not miss. We have 2 inaccurate moves and 2 100% accuracy moves. Please help, do not KO me. And we are at 53 health. No! No! No. No. This is bad. This is bad. Let's go, light. Go discharge. KO it. KO the Lapras. This thing is bulky, but not for you. And yeah, this finale is going to be super good. And it outspeed. Heavy shower quickly activated. Okay. Discharge, KO it. Discharge, discharge. No. Now he's gonna use on full restore. Yes! Now I hope our quickly activates. Please, 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 please. Yes! It is paralyzed. Yes. Blasters looks horrifying. Okay. And you have only 2 Pokemon remaining. And this thing. Please focus blast. Do half. Do half. Do half. Do half. Do half. 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 Yes. Do not kill me. Do not kill me. Do not kill me. Yes. Do not miss now. Do not miss now. Do not miss. Do not miss. And special attacking Snorlax. We haven't even sent out our Azula into the battle, and we send out a Saya into the battle. So, KO, please KO, please KO, please KO, 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 KO. No, health damage is gonna take him out. Nice. Yes. Venusa. I misclicked. No. No. Can he hit Giga Drain? No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Why it is giving me this much of a trouble, man? God. The end of Soul Silver. Go Azula. Do not miss the secret for yes. Yes, Azula, KO this thing. KO, KO. You are 4 levels under, but you are super effective and you are... Yes, we KO'd Red, guys. So, and that's... Sadly, that's the end of this series. And, yeah, we completed this series. And next up is going to be Emerald, guys. Even though we completed this series, that's not for our Let's Plays. I'm going to continue Emerald. I'm going to start a new playthrough of Emerald next week, because by the time I'm recording, I still have to upload 5 episodes, including this one. So yeah, and yeah, we completed this game, and I can't ever forget our team, our Chomps, Light, Darkla, Gyro, Azula, Saya, Frieza, and many more. And yeah, our Pokemon helped us in these journeys, guys. And how can I forget our Sokka, who has been with us from the Fire Red playthrough. And yeah, that's the end of this series, guys. And yeah, that's it for this series, guys. I'll see you in the next series. Peace out.